Whenever there is a new fund offer, investors are confused between investing in NFOs and existing funds. Which is a better choice? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will enlighten you.
Products typically it depends on your needs. Say for example, I'll give you an example. So today what is happening is very innovative kind of products which are being coming in the market. So probably if you have that appetite, risk appetite, probably you can park a smaller allocation towards the NFO, which is not there in the market as of now. But because of this new categorization or the new kind of product which is made available through this NFO, you can look at it. Otherwise, most of these products have a long sustainable track record. You can go for those products, but for NFOs I would suggest that you have to look for that additional USP why this product is being there. Say for example, there are few sector funds which is very unique in nature, and if you want to participate in that sector, there is no other way to invest into that particular sector. So probably a sector fund could be one. There could be various momentum category of funds which are there, and you want to invest something into momentum, that probably you can go in for momentum kind of a product. But for a retail investor, for a sustainable investment, go for products which have a long sustainable track record.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.